Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Project Desktop for Schedule Baselines, full guide step by step clearly. To download Microsoft Project Desktop for Schedule Baselines, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Microsoft website URL. Once the page loads, navigate to the Products section. Here, locate the option for Microsoft Project. Click on it to view the available versions of Microsoft Project. Choose the version that best fits your needs, such as Project for the Web or Project Professional. Next, click on the Buy Now or Try for Free button. If you select the trial option, you may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, proceed to fill in the required billing information if necessary. Review your order and click on the Confirm button. You will then receive a confirmation email with a link to download the software. Return to the Microsoft Project page and click on the download link provided in your email. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open Microsoft Project from your Applications menu. You are now ready to create and manage schedule baselines using Microsoft Project Desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.